So what we try to do here for you today is simplify the Talmud. Isn't that right, Alex?
That's right.
Now let's move along. Okay, look at the big picture. So what does that mean? What it means is that we got the Mishnah, which is basically knowledge that's memorized by many people and through repetition. And then we got the Tanaim who comment on the Mishnah. And it's supposed to be a living work with a lot of commentary. And oh wait, hold on, here comes David Warner.
15 minutes.
Here comes David Warner out of the blue. Yeah, we are recording. Alright, so the two major events that happened during the time of the Mishnah, or rather the writing of the Mishnah, is the destruction of the second Beit HaMikdash and Shimon Bar Kokhba and the rebellion. Next, we got the 6 sections. Anyone want to read that out?
Seeds associated with agriculture and Kohen portions. B. Festivals, Shabbat and holidays. C. Women, divorce, marriage, and oaths. D. Torts, civil law and criminal law based on rabbinic authority. E. Sacred things, temple, sacrifices, and worship. F. Purity, rules of purity.
Perfect, David, thank you.
No problem.
Now we'll move along. And that's not it. The Mishnah is not the only thing included in the Talmud. We got the Talmud itself, which is much larger. And it gets its meaning from the word learn. The main Talmud is the Babylonian Talmud. And Alex will tell you something about that.
The Gemara starts with the abbreviation GM. The rabbis of the Talmud are called Amoraim because they were appointed to deliver the scholars' teachings before the public. The Talmud goes above and beyond the call of just commentating on the Mishnah. The Talmud uses a complex system of argument and debate. The Talmud also makes use of hypothetical instances such as he could have said, etc.
A brisa is a source in the Talmud. The Talmud uses these sources to supplement a Mishnah. It may even be used sometimes to extrapolate on a current topic.
Now we'll move along to some commentaries. We got Rashi and Tosfot. These are the big ballers in the Talmud. Main players. Rashi is another name for Rabbi Solomon ben Isaac, who lived in Troyes, France. This is a hard time for him. Rashi's commentary on the Talmud is so important because it clarifies the text in a precise manner. While Tosfot is a bunch of people, mainly, it's not just one person. It's a ton of people that work on the opposite side of Rashi, and it was also compiled in France. And here's a picture of Rashi.
Learning by candlelight.
Now, more about the commentaries. We got Rabbi Nutam, Rashbam, the Ri, Tosfot, and that's basically it until next slide. But it's pretty self-explanatory. The Rashbam is Rabbi Nutam's brother. He composed a commentary to the Torah as well as a commentary on the Talmud. Rabbi Nutam, Rashi's grandson, and Tosfot. They all designed a way to help us better understand the Talmud. And what the Tosfot did basically was ask questions and give us a better understanding.
Finally, more commentary. The Rabbeinu Hananel was written by Rabbi Hananel ben Hishiel, who lived in Kairouan, Tunisia. Kairouan, Tunisia. He is different because he doesn't go into grave detail. Rather, he makes use of main arguments only. He also omits many of the laws, segments, and the argument.
Well, you know, David, that's a good point that you just made there.
Thank you, Sam.
By not going into detail, it gives people better understanding of what they want to hear. No one wants to hear all the details. Sometimes people just want to hear the point, get to the point, and that's what Rabbeinu Hananel does. So,
Excellent commentary, Sam. The Rabbeinu Gershom was written by the students of Rabbi Gershom ben Judah. These people are also referred to as the light of the exile. It was written in Mainz, Germany. It provides us with sources on the Talmud prior to Rashi, such as Rashi's teachers and themselves.
Okay, Alex, give us a lowdown on the Ein Mishpat.
All right. So the Mishpat is the wellspring of knowledge. It contains references to main codes in Jewish law. The Ner Mitzvah is the lamp of commandment, and it's basically an index of the Ein Mishpat.
Now, I don't know why that's so funny, but basically what it is, it's a source sheet that's located right in the Mishnah Torah, which is good for people who want to basically connect the dots and find out what this Mishnah has to do with any other Mishnah in that Talmud. So that's what the Ein Mishpat does. And the Masorah Shas is basically the same thing that cross-references other references from the Talmud. And if you want to get a better understanding of the ideas in this Mishnah compared to ideas in other Mishnahs, this is where you want to be, the Masorah Shas.
Rabbi Joel strikes, Hu the Hagahot Haba. It serves to correction mistakes in the commentaries on the Talmud and on the Talmud itself. It is important because it helps us better understand what the Talmud is trying to say and what the commentaries are trying to say.
All right. That's basically it. That's your Talmud simplified. Thank you for listening.